for you. So today we are going to be reviewing another Amazon wig, which I feel is the latest wig craze. So let me know if you agree with that down below. So this wig that I have for you today is actually from a company called FESHFEN. So this is a first wig that I have for this company, and this is a blondie, and in fact she is bleach blonde. That's her color. So let's just take a look at her. She is a long one too. Whoa, look at this girl. She is 30 inches. That means she's a long one. So of course I'm gonna leave all the links down below for this wig. And of course, also reach out to me on Instagram. I love to hear from you and see your photos. And great with the construction of her. So she has a light netting, which is really great. I really like that. And of course, a 2.5 inch parting right here. She has a medium cap with 2 combs on the side right here, 1 comb in the middle or on the top. And then also she does not have a comb in the back. I take that back. Let's put her on. She does say she's 180% density, which means that's a pretty full wig. And also, like they say in there, she weighs about 12.8 ounces. So there you go. How can I not forget about it? She has like these very, very long layers, which is really great. So it's not like a straight blunt bottom. It's pretty like natural looking. Okay, so let's put her on. I have my wig cap right here in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10 pack for $5.99. Of course, the link is down below for that. I put my wigs on front to back, so I'm gonna back it up a little bit here. Whoa, look at this blondie. Okay, alrighty. Let's kind of brush her out a little bit. Okay, let's just put her down the center. Let me brush her out just a little bit more. I feel she sheds just as a normal long wig, which is average. She's gonna shed, of course. Also tangling, I feel, you know, it's minimal, but of course she will tangle because she is a long wig. It's literally almost impossible for a long wig not to tangle. So let me just stand up so you can see where she lays. So I'm 5'7". Okay, so normally I feel like 24 inches is right here for me. This one said 30, so this isn't quite 30 inches. So like I said, I would probably consider this one 24, 25. But that's okay, because honestly, I feel like 30 inches would be a little aggressive of a length for me. Here's this right down the middle. Not bad. So I'm going to part her. My favorite way to part or to shift a wig to my parting is just to shift the wig cap. So, because I prefer to have a flat front or flat parting, if you will. What do you guys think about that? Sometimes like wigs that are a little out of the ordinary, like for me this is a little jarring, but of course I know I can pull it off because it just takes the right confidence and makeup and outfit and whatever to pull something off. So I really would love to know if you love a bleach blonde wig. Let's put it on this side. See if it looks a little different. I could rock this. Actually, you know what? I'm loving it with this black top and this fun makeup. I feel like, honestly, like I said, if something is ever a little jarring with a wig, that's because clearly it takes you a full minute to like put it on. And if you're not used to it, it may take a minute for your body and your mind to adjust to it. So my best advice for anyone who is putting on a wig that you're immediately like, this isn't gonna work out. Let it sit on your head for like 20 minutes, an hour. Maybe you just run to the grocery store or just run out in it and just let it sit on you and let it kind of like just melt in you. Because honestly, even though I have a million wigs, every once in a while I'm like, I don't think this is gonna work. And then I literally like just let it sit on my head, and then I'm like, why was I being such a baby about it? I love it. So sometimes things just take a full minute or two before they become a part of you. I wanna know if you all have bleach blonde wigs, how you rock them out. I would love to see you in them. So send me your photos on Instagram. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, thank you all for stopping by. I honestly so appreciate each and every single one of you, because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous being a bleach blonde bunny, be her. And I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.